In this quick video, I'll show you how to install YouTube app on Windows 11 laptop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Many people try to download YouTube app on Microsoft Store. They just search here YouTube and then try to find YouTube, but they can't find YouTube because YouTube is not available on Microsoft Store. To download YouTube, we need to go to our browser. Once you are on your browser, search here YouTube and then just enter on your keyboard. As you can see, this is www.youtube.com. we need to click on it, and once you are on YouTube website, you can see this icon on the right side of search bar. You can see youtube.com is here, and on its right side this icon is here. We just need to click on it, and after that it will give us this pop-up where it will say that install app. We need to click on install, and after that it will install YouTube on our desktop or laptop. If I go to my home screen, you can see the YouTube app on my desktop as well. I just need to double click on it to access all of the YouTube features. I can use everything from this app, and if you want to uninstall this app from your computer or device, we just need to go to top and you can see these three dots. We need to click on it, and after that click on uninstall YouTube. To uninstall or remove YouTube from your computer or laptop, we need to click on remove, and then YouTube will be removed from your computer. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.